Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to quickly give you guys my tips on how I do my winged eyeliner so that it looks the same on each side, and it pretty much makes it so much easier every time you go to do it. So as you can see, everything else is done besides mascara and liner, so I'm going to get up close and personal and show you how I do that. So if you want to see, keep watching. It's just gonna be a quick one. I'm going to use the Kat Von D tattoo liner. That is my favorite at the moment. Black, doesn't smudge, bold, it's great. What I do is I use the creases of my eyelids to line up to get the same height and size of the wing. I'm gonna go ahead and start with this side and explain to you what I'm doing. I sometimes go from the corner out or the crease in. Doesn't really matter, you get the same result if you're measuring the same. So I'm gonna go from the inner corner and I'm just gonna bring the line up right to the end of the crease of my eyelid. So you can see I just brought it up to the end of it because I want it high. If you want it lower, then measure lower, obviously. And then I'm going to go from that and bring it in. I usually like that part pretty thick. I will bring it in, and if I want it even thicker, when I go back across, I'll pull it up even higher. So I'm going to just kind of fill it in, bring it in, and I usually just do that part first on each side and then pull it in. I'm gonna go from the corner out to the edge. See, same spot. Pull it in. Color it in. Now you can see, same. They're almost identical each time. It's great. I've always struggled with getting them the same height, same size, and it can be so frustrating and take so much time. So that's how I do that. When I go across, I do pull the lid. Not supposed to pull the lid because it's not good for the skin because it's so thin, but I'm working on it. So we're just gonna show you how I do that. Usually try to make the thinnest line possible. Because you can always go thicker, but obviously you don't want to have to take back out. So now you have it where it goes across and up. You don't want that, so you're going to connect it and just kind of pull it across so that it just flows into the wing. There's that, and then you want to connect it and just pull it through. Ta-da! I do want the lines a little bit thicker, but I always start thinner. Sometimes that's what you want, sometimes you want it bolder, but you can't really go back. So start with the thinnest line and then make it thicker if you want it to. Thicker. I always do it a little bit at a time because I really don't like it to be like crazy thick. And then, if you wanted your wing longer, obviously when you do that, you can go farther out. I would start with measuring to the crease first and then pulling it out so that it's perfect. But that's pretty much what I want today. Just like that. Little wing. And that is it. That's how I do it. I'm just gonna go ahead and put some mascara on. I'm gonna use the Decay perversion, yeah, for the top. And then I'm going to use the Benefit Roller Lash for the bottom because it is a smaller wand and it's easier. I had the biggest problem getting it perfect for so long until I realized use what you got. Those creases are gonna be there no matter what. Usually do it in silence because it's such, you know, you just don't want to mess that up. So if I'm quiet when I'm doing that, that's why. And yeah, I hope you guys can use that Let me know if it worked for you. Let me know if it didn't work for you. If there's another way you do it. Yeah, I just wanted to share that. It's Sunday. Not doing anything crazy. Never am. But, yeah. On my eyes, if anyone's wondering, I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills Renaissance palette. I believe that's what it's called. Modern Renaissance. This guy. Speed up because I enjoy it a lot, clearly. I already set my face and everything. So, I'm actually going to put on some bottom liner and we are going to be done. This is the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil. And I will link all this stuff in the description just in case you're wondering. Give it a like if you liked my tip. If you're going to use it, comment. Let me know how you liked it and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching again.